Okay, students, today we will teach introduction of trigonometry. Under introduction of trigonometry, exercise 8.2, problem number 2. In problem number 2, first problem is 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, what about tan theta? Tan theta is 1 by root 3. Substitute tan theta value in the question, we will get the result and compare with these result. First option is cos 60, second option is sin 60, third one is tan 60, fourth one is cos 60. So first we will solve the problem and we will get the result. That result will compare with these options. Okay. What about tan 30? Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Tan square root 3 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 upon 2 upon 3. Okay. Result is 1 upon root 3 into 3 upon 2 equal to root 3 upon 2. Okay. What the value is? Tan 2 tan 30 upon 1 plus tan square 30 equal to root 3 upon 2. So compare the value of root 3 with these options. Sin 60 is 1 by 2. So this is the wrong. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this is wrong. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So option B is the correct answer. Correct option. Tan 60 is root 3. Wrong. Cos 60 is 1 by root 3. This is the wrong answer. So option B is the correct answer. Just substitute a tan 30 value and solve this problem. We will get the root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal to sin 60. So the option is option B. Second problem. 1 minus tan square 45 upon 1 plus tan square 45. Okay. First option is sin 90. Second option is cos 90. Third option is tan 60. Fourth option is cot 45. Okay. Simply substituted tan 45 value in above equation. So we will get the sum value. That value compare these options. That is the problem. So first of all, what is the tan 45 value? Tan 45 value is 1. So substitute tan 45 value in this equation. We will get result is 0. Sin 90 is 1. So this is not the answer. Cos 90 is 0. So the option B is the correct option for this problem. Okay. Just substituted the trigonometric ratio values and compare with the options. That is the case of these problems. Next one is third problem is sin 2a equal to sin a. This is the equation. Sin 2a equal to sin a. This is the equation. When find the a value. At what value of a? Sin this equation is sin 2a equal to sin a is true. Just simply answers is a is 30, b is 60, c is 45, d is 0. Okay. Just substituted the values. Substituted a value sin 30 equal to sin 60. This is not the option. Sin 60 equal to sin 120. This is not the correct. Sin 45 equal to sin 90. This is also wrong. Sin 0 equal to sin 0. Put the value of a equal to 0. Left hand side is sin 0. Right hand left, both left and right hand side also. Well, the value of sin 2a is 0 and sin a is also 0. So the value of a is 0. Okay. Next, fourth problem. Two tan 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30. Option A sin 60. Option B cos 60. Option C tan 60. Option D cot 30. Okay, cot 30. Just simply substituted tan 30 value in the question. We will get some value and that value is compared with the options. That is the problem. So how to solve it? Just substituted the tan 30 value in the above equation. We will get tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. 1 minus tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Tan square 30 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. So numerator is 2 upon root 3. Denominator is 2 upon 3 equal to 2 upon root 3 into 3 upon root 2. This one cancel. This is the root 3. So 2 tan root 30 upon 1 minus tan square 30 value is root 3. This root 3 value is compared with the answers. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, cos 60 1 by 2, tan 60 root 3. So the option C is the correct. Option C is the correct. Okay. Next, fifth problem. This second problem is over. Third problem is if tan a plus b equal to root 3 and tan a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 and the conditions is a plus b is less than 0 or less than or equal to 90. A plus b is greater than 0 and less than or equal to 90 and a greater than b is 0. These are the conditions and the question is tan a plus b equal to root 3. Tan a minus b equal to 1 upon root 3. So the condition is a plus b is less than 0 and greater than or equal to 90 and a greater than b. How to solve this equation? Just what about the root 3 value in terms of tan? What about the 1 by root 3 value in terms of tan? Just substitute it and cancel on both sides. Okay. What about the tan a plus b equal to, what is the value of tan value, what is at what angle the value we will get root 3 in terms of tan. Tan 60 equal to root 3. Okay, tan 60 equal to root 3. So simply substituted in place of root 3 tan 60 and in case of 1 minus root 3 at what angle the value of tan at what value is 1 by root 3. At 30 degrees tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So at 30 degrees the value of tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So in place of 1 by root 3 just we substituted the tan 30. Okay. So compare both left and right sides, compare left and both right sides from these two equations. So we will get a plus b equal to 60. Don't strike off this tan, just compare left and right side, and so we will get a plus b equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30 degrees. From these two, solve these two equations, we will get the a and b values. We will get the a, b and b value. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Solve these equations. Solve these equations. 2a, add these two equations. 2a equal to 90 implies a equal to 45. A equal to 45. From these two equations, we will get a equal to 45. So simply substituted a value in the above two equations. From this equation or from this, substituted a value either in this equation or in this equation. So the value of b is 15. The value of b is 15. A is equal to 45, b is equal to 15. A plus b equal to 60. Tan 60 equal to root 3. A minus b equal to 30. Tan 30 equal to 1 by root 3. Just substituted the values at what angle the tan ratio is root 3. At 60 degrees, tan function is root 3. From these two equations, left hand side is compared with right hand side. A plus b equal to 60. From these equations, a minus b equal to 30. Solve these two equations. We will get a equal to 45 and b equal to 15. So we will conclude today's chapter.